Hi everyone, it's Troy here in the studio. I am fortunate during this unfortunate time where we're all taking shelter from the COVID-19 virus. I hope everyone is paying attention and doing their best to protect themselves. I'm fortunate to be able to continue working in my studio. So I thought I'd show you this interesting portrait that I'm just doing some final inpainting touches on. This is a portrait of a gentleman by the name of Thaddeus Clapp Jr. And Thaddeus was a businessman of a prominent family, Pittsfield, Massachusetts. He was born in 1792, passed away in 1865. This painting was painted in 1848 when he was the age of 56. And it's quite a interesting portrait. Its story is it was in storage for many, many years. The client who owns it, who brought it to me, is his great niece, who received it from her sister in her sister's estate. And this painting had traveled down south to where her sister lived and was severely damaged in a very bad hurricane. The hurricane of April 2nd. I don't recall the year that this happened, but it was quite a while back. The painting had been brought to a conservator at that time who began to work on it and for some unknown reason stopped. And the painting was put into storage ever since. When I unpacked it, when it came to me, it was severely damaged, severely dirty, and really on the brink of falling to pieces, literally. So I have since worked on it tremendously. I've relined it onto a new canvas. I've repaired some areas of lost paint. I've consolidated the paint down to canvas surface so it stops flaking to close up some of the cracking, and cleaned it extensively. So this painting has had a heavy layer of grime cleaned off of it. It's had old failing varnish that was very yellowed, very brown, dull. I'll post a picture of what it looked like when it came in. I think you'll be pretty interested in seeing what it used to look like compared to how it's looking now. I'm very happy with how it's coming out. I think the client's going to be thrilled. I'm told that this painting will now, when I'm done with it, will move on to the Berkshire Athenaeum in Pittsfield, Massachusetts, to what I believe is a permanent display attributing to the Clapp family, who I guess did many things in the city of Pittsfield throughout a number of generations. So you may be able to go take a trip there and see it someday. Anyway, I'll post a before and after of this when it's completed for you to see. But I thought I would just share a little bit of this with you now. And again, as we're all kind of hunkering down, it's kind of interesting to maybe check something like this out. Anyway, be safe. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or any thoughts, feel free to comment on the Instagram when I post this. And I look forward to showing it to you when it's fully completed. For now, be safe, wash your hands, and I will talk to you soon.